Hey guys, I'm really excited to get this window unit installed with you guys here from Garvee. This is going to be a really nice, easy install. Now, it does come with this really nice accordion piece that will extend out for a wider window. Now, my window is extremely tight, so I'm not going to use those accordion pieces in my application. But I am going to use this top bracket that comes with it. It does come with the hardware. It comes with this top bracket, which is going to be really nice because I'm going to slide my plexiglass into the top. I went ahead and got plexiglass for this. I'm happy that we do have a 110 outlet cord here with the safety on the back of it. It does come with some really nice insulative foam that we can put around the unit so we're not getting any wind through. And it does have a little bit thinner foam here for us to run around. It's got some hardware. All right, so it really only took a few minutes, maybe 20-30 minutes to get it installed, and that involved me going down and cutting a couple pieces of wood just so that way it sat just right on my window seal, because I got really old windows that have some interesting step-ups. Yours, if you have a newer home than mine, my windows are like from the 1960s. I think it's just going to sit nice and flat. But I just cut a couple little pieces of wood, and then otherwise with my plexiglass in there, it works great. Nice and solid, nice and sealed. This unit is not going anywhere. I used the brackets that came with it. I put them on the side. I ran the felt tape all the way around the unit so it's nice and fully airtight, so it's not going to be letting in any other wind. Now I have this thing running on almost full cold, and it's getting freezing inside of here. This is really cold air. It's going to work great for this master bedroom inside of here. It'll keep this space nice and cool. It's quiet. It's not very loud. I have the fan on low speed. There's high speed. It's really going to fill the room with cold air quickly. So you can use, there's fan mode if you just want to have some air circulation, and then you've got your AC high and low on here, and then you can adjust how cool you want it to be, from 1 all the way up to 7 being the most cool. A really great unit. This is going to work perfect. I like the size because it fits exactly inside of this window, so it's exactly what I needed for my application. Guys, Garvee did a great job with this one. I'm really happy to have this unit installed. We're going to be stoked on using this. It's going to be very useful. So I hope you guys can use this. Check it out. We got a link below. Click on that link. Pick one of these guys up. Really good product. I recommend it. Thanks, guys.